Nize nibatshele uma beniphikisa ukuthi nizwe ngami ukuthi inkondlo siyaphikisa. Buyisani ubandlululo. Indlela Buyisani ubandlululo. Indlela zilungisiwe kepha mafika isikhathi amavoti ama-ID kumele sale siwalungisile. Wena uhulumeni ungihubhu kabhejani uqamba amanga kwena insakavukela umchilo wesidwaba. Yina nisabumbananga nihlangene phezulu phansi ngamahege. Okufuna amadoda kuyabikwa nawe mongameli khuluma iqiniso. Lesitulo ohleli kusona siyijoka kwena ngoba kuba 16 ubungeke ubalekela abafelokazi baseMarikana abadinga impendulo ngokufa kwabanye babo abafuna kuphela iminyaka eyishumi ukuba basebenza abayishumi manje abalalelwa ngabanye abangamashumi amathathu nayo kodwa umehluko nale nkululeko ekuthiwa ikhona ngiyibona ngicela ningitshengise yona ngoba ngenxa yokuncipha kwemisebenzi injini umsebenzi uzinciphise emhlabeni lona sengingamane indalo wamagendo wokugabiselana ngamaqembu epolitiki eniwathandayo kepha iqiniso ukuthi kubo bonke labo sopolitiki akekho ingilosi bonke bangoJudas bafithelana induku emqubeni. Osopolitiki sebangabashunqisi iphalamende liphendula umuzwa wadlala omunye phezu komunye ngoba omunye uma esefuna isifunda somunye hayi ungamane sibele Buyisani ubandlululo ngoba ngaleso sikhathi indlela besingayichitha navelela amafa ngeimali ezishisiwe ezithathwe ngozwandle ikhuphuka kanjani indlela isizwe sikambili amathuba omsebenzi anqabile noma ninendaba ngoba vele ningosida kahle namsebenzi benza sekhaya khona bathengisela abantu abangasiba seningizimu Afrika amaphepha nemininingwane yalana kwelakithi. Yina ngibona ukuthi nizofake ngipheni ngokungayiphathi kwenu ngoba sizolahlekelwa yizwe nomhlaba wakithi ihlandlela esiliva kithi. Upetrol ukhuphukile yeyi kuningi kulo mhlaba obhobo kimpi ngibona umlando ubandlululo uziphinde isibili. Ngathi ephalamende kumele amabhantshi agcwala umoya labantu vele sebawubonile imhlaba yikho isimo somnotho masibhede kangaka bangathinteki ikhoma zabo uzigcwele abancwebeni vele ibalele eminyama uthole lidingayo kumele lisebenzise indluzulu ngathi nokuba nayo kubalele imithunzi nembandela kanti thina sicela ngokuzala nathi besifuna nisinengise kodwa nisifakela amathumbu okuthi nathi simthole uMandela. Angisakhulumi ke ngawo amakhansela uma nifuna ikhundla niyathoba ningene indlela nendlela njengeyinkuku eqedithelo lombila nicela amavoti kepha uma niqeda uhlala kule ikhundla ninaka amaphaketheni nihambele kude njengelanga lasebusika amavoti wethu anisawashaya indiva ngathi nawo empilweni zenu niyawakhansela bathe usisa umhlaba ngamava. I found romance in music. Let me take you way back to the likes of Gladys Knight, Dave Coase, Teddy Pendergrass, Tamiya, Michael Bolton, Stevie Wonder, Atlantic Star, Mary J. Blige, just to name a few. They asked me, how old are you? And my reply was, I don't love mentioning numbers, but if you really want to know, I'm a new school kid who happens to understand the deep thoughts of old school music. I remember when Buyisani took me to the end of the road. We had walked to my bedroom and Marvin Gaye would make me get up and move to the rhythm of sexual healing. Dave Coase led me onto the floor, making me have the dance. I didn't have to look for my partner. I just touched it, and Tamiya told me to hold it still. I love how that music was romantic and expressed with simplicity. It was shocking how that simple language had so much content, with moving lips of an artist standing in the front of a man with a pure heart. That is the songs you hear, and by faith, through touch. It is soft sound like all the parents that has been brought in. I looked for love, and on that search, music came about. I found romance in music, and listening to it, I use it. And if I had the opportunity to give you a time, I'd say thank you because I'm grateful for how this music took me on a voyage. This is South Africa to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Mtho, freestyle. I'm busy, man. I see the future part out. Mntana umuntu ngikakungizaleli Sondela sana. Njenginesifiso sokubuza nasi ngifuna sibhedleka. Ngiyokhuza umhlolo wakho uzoyinsiza waXhosa ngithi khalo mntana uyangiphambanisa. Kungoba amehlo akho ayangibulala. Abantu bayabuza ukuthi uma ngempela ungibulala pho angiphi ingane. Kungoba wena mina nguJesu wesifazane. NjengoLazarus ngisekufeni nanoma ngafa ngiyazi ukuthi wena ngikuthole. Ingxoxo zamalobolo zikude sibani. Khathi ngixoxele emfutshane ibani. Lo mntana undenza ndizibale ngoba ngikhumbula ngikuthela wayeka wenkanuko ngisendleleni ewanhliziyo njengaphambi kwakho ngiphothunga amabele wangibuza ukuthi njani ngibona ukuma kwakho ngathi ngizobona ngifuna isifiso zami kanti undala uney'nhloso zakhe ngawe nawe ngiyazibuza ukuthi kungani makhethekile phela zazikhona zonke eziphelele shuthi ububonga ukuthi into eshodayo ngoba uma ungekho eduze wami angiphelele futhi ngingasayihayi le nkonzo ngoba ngivumela abantu isifuba sami babona ukuthi ngithanda kangakanani bagcine sebekukhupha mina noma mhlawumbe kuzophambana amakomishi ngoba sengizitshela kakhulu ngawo bazongiphuca wena uyihawu lami elungigushelo ngwalweni yazi ungikhumbuza lolo yasuku ngikushela uhlaka nokumbili ngidwini ngicela singasanduli ngoba siyazi ukuthi uzobonakala empilweni udokotela wokuqala ngizothi ngiyadala angikaze ngisibone nekhabisha izala esakhosela kuyingazi namagugu nakho konke ongafisa akunakulinganiswa nakho ngiyahluleka ukuzibamba angisakwazi ukufisa ngiyayithanda le ngane bathe ngisisa umhlaba ngamagama bese ngiyafika Mtho